For our ingredients, we need 24 pieces Oreo, 3/4 cup cream cheese, blend the cookies into fine crumbs. Add the cream cheese into the crushed cookies. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Mix well to form a dough. Chill dough for 15 to 30 minutes. Shape dough into 1-inch ball. For chocolate coating, dip each Oreo in the melted chocolate. Put in the fridge overnight or at least 4 hours. And here is your Oreo balls. Enjoy! For our food for the soul, be encouraged in this verse in Psalms 34:18. The Lord is near to the brokenhearted and saves the crushed in spirit. It is not an accident that you have watched this video. Maybe there are times in your life that you are just like these Oreo cookies, crushed and even pressed by the storms of this so-called life. But just like these Oreo cookies was crushed and pressed, it became a beautiful Oreo balls. Be reminded that the Lord saves the crushed in spirit. You are a God's masterpiece, and He is not done with you yet. Enjoy the process and let God mold you. Allow Him to work in your life. Be blessed! Show some love by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get notified. Thank you!